Proven tremendous health benefits of squash. Squash load with vitamin C that heal wound and gum diseases. Squash, a delicious and versatile vegetable, offers an array of proven tremendous health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, it plays a crucial role in wound healing and gum health. Vitamin C supports the production of collagen, a protein essential for repairing tissues, aiding in faster wound healing. Moreover, it strengthens gums and protects against gum diseases like gingivitis. Additionally, squash is an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It also supports weight management by providing a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. Furthermore, squash is a rich source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin A. These powerful compounds protect the body against harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. In fact, research suggests that increased intake of foods high in beta-carotene may lower the risk of developing certain types of cancer. Squash's nutritional profile also includes potassium, which maintains healthy blood pressure levels and contributes to heart health. Moreover, it contains folate, a vital nutrient for pregnant women to prevent birth defects. In summary, squash presents numerous health benefits, such as wound healing and gum disease prevention through its high vitamin C content. Additionally, its fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and folate contribute to a healthy digestive system, protect against chronic diseases, support heart health, and aid in fetal development. Incorporating squash into your diet can deliver remarkable improvements to your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content.